Hello, this is a very important video for GATE 2021 aspirants, especially for civil engineering students, because I am going to discuss the changes made in syllabus by IIT Bombay for GATE 2021. There are some major changes in GATE 2021 syllabus, and I will encourage all other disciplines students to just go through the new revised syllabus published by IIT Bombay for GATE 2021, and please compare with the previous ones. Myself, Biplav Adhikari, I am coaching for GATE for last 5 years, and if I just move to our main discussion, that we know that there are various public sectors and PSUs, those are public sector undertakings, where anyone can join through GATE, obviously with a very uh, outstanding scores. As we know, there are scopes for masters and PhD programs in ISC, various IITs, NITs, central and state government funded institutions. Most interestingly, there are few world famous foreign university with astonishing world ranking, like NUS, NTU with world ranking 12, 13. There is Technical University of Germany with 60. Okay, there are other institution with world ranking 145. So all these are there, and this is a very good opportunity for GATE aspirants to pursue masters or higher academic programs over there. Now, some important general information. Online application will start from 14th September. It will close on 30th September for regular online registration. Date of examination, as we know, 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th and 14th February 2021. Announcement of result tentatively they have decided as 22nd March 2021. Two new subjects are introduced as environmental science and engineering and humanities and social sciences. So total number of subject has increased to 27. Now, very important part, the most important announcement in the GATE 2021 brochure, as we can see that syllabi of all subject papers have been revised for GATE 2021, and what I have seen for civil engineering especially, there are few major changes have been made. Pattern of questions also have been they have revised. Okay, earlier it was multiple choice questions, MCQ with single correct answer and numerical answer type, that is NAT. Now they have introduced multiple select questions, that is MSQ. It is having some particular pattern. That means for any question, if you have been given 4 options A, B, C, D, and suppose the correct answers are A and B, now you have to opt A and B both, or if correct answers are A, B, C, then you have to opt A, B, C, all of these 3. If you just select A and B, then you won't get any kind of partial marking. There is no partial marking in MSQ, and there is no negative marking also. If you just pick any wrong answer or maybe partial answer, then it will be simple 0. Okay. So as we know, NAT and MSQ will be having no negative marking. Only multiple choice question, which will be with single correct answer, will be having negative marking. Now 1 or 2 subject papers allowed. That means you can now choose 2 subject papers at a time for GATE. Okay. So that has to be compatible. That means if you choose one subject, that has to be compatible with other one. So you have been given some list, and from that list you have to choose the subjects. As far as the eligibility criteria, they have also revised and relaxed it. Now whoever is currently studying in the 3rd year of their degree program, they can also appear in GATE 2021. What I can remember, in 2008 when I appeared in GATE 2008, it was my 3rd year of B. So it was a very great experience. So for third year students, it will be a great experience, though the admission year will be the same of their passing year. Say any student has cleared GATE 2021, but if that particular student is passing out in the year 2022, then admission to any master's or higher program is only valid or only feasible when the student gets the degree the year 2022. Okay. Now the most important part, syllabus. Now I am entering into the civil engineering part. Especially this part is focused on civil engineering, for civil engineering students. Engineering mathematics. Maclaurin series has been eliminated, but that doesn't make much sense because Taylor series is there, and we know the Maclaurin series is a particular form of Taylor series. Stokes, Gauss and Green's theorems are out of syllabus, that means removed. Laplace transform and its application in solving ODEs is removed. Definitions of probability, again that doesn't make much sense because we have to anyway learn about the other aspects of probability. Binomial distributions, exponential distributions and hypothesis testing removed. Linear regression is added. Accuracy and precision and least square approximation, these two part is removed from numerical methods. Structural engineering. For engineering mechanics, kinematics of point mass and rigid body, Euler's equations of motion, impulse momentum, energy methods, principles of virtual work, those have been removed. Though we have to study few of these topics because we have to study strength of material and structural analysis, those will be required there. And another very interesting topic has been introduced, that is free vibrations of undamped single degrees of freedom system. Okay. Next, solid mechanics, theories of failure, out of syllabus. Bricks, mortar, timber, bitumen, out of syllabus. Tendering and construction contracts, rate analysis and standard specifications, out of syllabus. In concrete structures, ultimate load design concepts is removed. That means only we have to study working stress method and the limit state method. Now analysis of beam sections at transfer and service loads, they have removed these words, but in essence pre-stressed concrete beam design is there. So as far as the beam design concepts are concerned, that then we have to get a knowledge of this transfer and service part. Okay. Geotechnical engineering, origin of soils, out of syllabus. Soil structure and fabric also. Now Darcy's law, they have not mentioned Darcy's law, but we know if we study permeability or seepage, we have to apply Darcy's law. Okay, so that doesn't make much sense. Method of slices from stability of slopes removed. Bishop's method is there. Pile under lateral loading, that has been introduced practically or effectively, because this pile group efficiency, we usually students study this part pile group efficiency, that comes under regular study. Okay. Water resources engineering, fluid mechanics, concept of lift and drag has been introduced. Hydraulics, kinematics of flow is removed. Velocity triangles removed. Now the most important part, basics of hydraulic machines, specific speed of pumps and turbines. So pumps and turbines, the hydraulic machinery, all the machineries have been removed by IIT Bombay for 2021 GATE and onward obviously. Irrigation, waterlogging and drainage, canal regulatory works, outlets and escapes have been removed. In environmental engineering, noise pollution is totally eliminated, and from air pollution part, air pollution methodology is removed, but there is not much changes apart from this. Tertiary treatment of wastewater, this term is not mentioned over here, only mentioned is primary and secondary. That's why I have just identified as tertiary treatment of wastewater is removed. Water quality index we generally study. Sewerage system design also we study, that is very important. Now the reuse of treated sewage for different application, that is especially mentioned. Okay, and sewerage system design also mentioned. that we have to look into. Transportation engineering, highway alignment and engineering service, eliminated. From geometric design of railway track and airport runway length, the only thing they have mentioned explicitly, that is speed and cant here for railway track, and calculations and corrections for airport runway length. Those who have already gone through this railway and airport, those they know that these are very important topics, and people used to study all this. Okay, traffic engineering, travel time, delay and OD study, that means origin and destination study, parking study is removed. They have emphasized on accidental study. Okay, control devices, channelization, level of service of rural highways and urban roads, removed. Now in geomatics engineering, we can't expect much variation because they have just revised it very recently. Okay. Then also what the sense they are trying to carry is that we have to know the basics of GIS and remote sensing. That's it. So all these were from your new subject, that is the new syllabus, that is revised syllabus. Now subject wise weightage for from the first 10 to 12 years. Now these are the subjects we know, and I have arranged, particularly I had calculated and I had found this data, this value that you know, and I had arranged all these things in a gradual manner, that is the according to their weightage basically. Okay, so the most important part will be this part from general aptitude, geotechnical engineering, engineering mathematics, environmental engineering, fluid mechanics, hydraulics, transport and solid mechanics. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these 7 subjects will be containing 77 plus marks. These are the most important part for your GATE, Civil Engineering 2021 or any other GATE year. These are called major subjects. You can't avoid any one of these. If you want to really score good, then you have to study well on these particular subjects. You can't avoid, and you have to first complete this 77 to 78 marks. Around 80 marks actually they are covering. After that, you can move to your next level of subjects. Though you can find geomatics engineering or hydrology maybe somehow easier in comparison with the earlier parts or earlier subjects, but remember that for how much marks you are preparing, that's important. Okay, so my strong suggestion, first you complete the major part, that almost 80%, then you move to the minor subjects. Okay, now preparation strategy. You can see a football ground. Okay, now if as civil engineers, if we have to tackle this GATE examination, then we have to make some strategy, and we have to make our players capable to withstand the pressure of GATE. Okay, so our starting from the last line of defense that we call goalkeeper, that is general aptitude. Okay, you can't avoid this. This is your last line of defense, and for civil engineering, I can say these are very easy. These are basically plus class 9 to 10 mathematics. Okay, and the English part is also quite doable. So general aptitude is very much important to score well, and this is the last line of defense. You can't avoid it. Okay, prepare well. The next, we can arrange our defense with structure, concrete structure, geomatics or hydrology. You can swap between hydrology and steel structure like this. But the midfield, the most important part, strength of material and mathematics. These two are the lifeline of the whole ground or the whole team. Strength of material and mathematics are having the most conceptual parts. These are most conceptual subjects, and as you know, the GATE paper is fully mathematical paper, and there are a lot of concepts which have been embedded throughout the GATE papers, and strength of material is also having a very good concepts, very basic concepts, which will be required in case of in soil mechanics. It will be required for RCC structures. Okay, even in geomatics engineering. So that's very important. These two are very important. Soil mechanics environment in left and right wings. Okay, those are very important subjects according to their weightage, but you have to attack. These people know that we have to study soil mechanics, environmental engineering, strength of material, mathematics. These people know, but what about transport and fluid? You have to be very sharp with your transportation and fluid mechanics. These are also very much interesting and conceptual subjects. Okay, fluid mechanics is very much conceptual subjects, and if you study transport well, and if you go through the gate questions, then you will find that this transportation is also a very conceptual subject with traffic engineering, uh, geometric design, okay, and your pavement design. All these are very much conceptual. Don't think transport only with your materials. Okay, move on. There is also some concept. It's materials in material part 2. Okay, so this may be our strategy, and there are some substitutes, other subjects. Coach is fundamental concept. Always you have to be conceptual. Okay, gate is fully conceptual paper. Assistant coach is intuition. Sometimes we have to use our intuition, definitely based on our previous knowledge, conceptual knowledge, definitely. And fitness trainer, sleep well, please. Okay, that is very important. Your brain should work in the time of examination hall and in the time of your preparation also. Okay, now if I just detail my preparation strategy part, then we can see that you have to study. Okay, that's fine. You have to study theory part with concept, but how can you grip over your concepts? You have to practice the numerical examples. Whatever concept you are studying or whatever topic you are studying, you just practice some numerical examples. Then it will be very much clear to you. Okay. Now, very important, you have to prepare your note. Your note will be your note only. Okay. Maybe your note may miss some topics. Okay. That you know that at any point of time I can answer from these concepts or from these topics. Okay. So that will be definitely different from any other's note. So your note will be your note. Try to prepare your own detailed notes from where you will be studying before examination or throughout your preparation. That will be containing concept, that will be containing some diagram of any particular phenomena or topic you are trying to study, the small derivation and the end formula, and try to incorporate some good numerical examples or the concepts where you are stucking in times of preparation. Okay, this detailed note should contain around 40 to 50 pages for each subject. Prepare short note with 2 pages. There will be only concept in very brief manner and end formula. Now, if you are done with this, you can attempt previous year questions of GATE and most importantly ESE. GATE previous year questions people do study, but I will encourage that you incorporate ESE also, because it will be helping you to get further concepts or hold on any particular topic, and the pattern those we are trying to or we are getting to interact with in GATE 2021, ESE may help over there. So if you are done with this, you can start attempting online test of 25 marks or 50 marks, whatever, but these should be during your preparation. From GATE IT, I am also trying to prepare some online mock test and this test series, whatever. Let's see what happened. So anyhow, you have to attempt these tests, and the most important part is you have to analyze. Suppose you have attempted 50 marks question, okay, and you have got 30 marks. So you have to identify where you have lost your 20 marks. That is your weaker zone, and you have to strengthen that part. Then you start the revision, keeping in mind that I have to revise everything with a special focus on those particular topics where I have done mistakes. Okay, that mistakes may be of fundamental nature or any other kind. It may be some inputs, methodology, whatever. So if you are done with all these things, I will suggest for last 2 months, maybe more, maybe last 3 months, depending upon your preparation, your level of preparation, start giving online full paper test of 100 marks. There you will be getting a jerk. Okay, if you are consistent with say 40, 42 marks or whatever marks in 50 or whatever, so 25 marks question, in 100 marks question, as you have to keep all the subjects in your mind together, then in the earlier stage you may uh, you may feel that you are not doing well. Don't worry, it is just a matter of time. You'll be getting the peak, not an issue. So this is all about this particular video, and here this Get It, my own small institutions. For any further query, online classes, mock tests, you can call or WhatsApp in this given number. I'll be very glad to help you or interact with you. So everyone preparing for GATE 2021, best wishes for you. Prepare well, sleep well, and get the concept. Okay, that is the most important part. GATE is highly conceptual and mathematical paper, so try to get a hold on your concepts and the mathematics part. Okay, so for now it's over. I am ending the video. You can comment any further suggestion, any other issues. Okay, in the description I'll be providing this particular PDF, whatever I have shown you for the last 20 or 21 minutes. This PDF will be there in the description box, so you can find that. I will try to provide some more important relevant materials regarding GATE, like earlier syllabus or the new syllabus, whatever that you can find from net also. It is freely available. So keep in touch. We may be a team, okay, through this YouTube channel, and any day I'll be very much glad to help you and interact with you. So keep watching. Bye.